And we're back for day 2 of 12 days of FabFitFun. So let's just open our box back up and find our day 2 spot. Here we go. That one was a little easier to get into than yesterday's. And we have a Stone Candles Smells Like Winter Forest votive candle. Now it smells pretty good. It's your classic winter scent. And it has a retail value of $20. So not bad, and that would make an excellent stocking stuffer. I'll just tuck that back in the box and put it into my gifting box. It looks like there's a little speck in there, but it's actually an air bubble. So we'll just box that back up. Stone candles, very nice. Thanks for stopping by to check out day 2 of our 12 days of FabFitFun, and I will see you again tomorrow. Take care.